All right, got another quick one here tonight. We got two of the Leaf mini helmets from last year, the 2015s. We'll go ahead and get going. We'll go through our sales sheet real quick. We've got some newcomers and some returning breakers, so welcome back, RDKOH. We've got Bob and Paige, welcome. Terabecca Zero. Shop F John. RDKOH in there again. Joe Ho, welcome back. MW Hyde 70. Riley Parker. Rob Doggy Dog 8. Eagles Gear 99. NA Chris 06. Number 1 Stabler Fan 2, welcome. NA Chris 06 in there a couple more times. Eagles Gear 99 again. And Cardboard Fever Cards, welcome. You'll notice the handwritten ones in, the couple that didn't sell, Cardboard Fever Cards and Eagles Gear 99, gobbled all those up. So those were taken. So it was about 2 minutes ago, so I had to scribble their names in, so apologize for that. But this is number 32, so we'll get started. And obviously I misnumbered here. 32, 33. A little ahead of myself, sorry about that. Let's bust open the first one here and see what we got. We hit 2 Cowboys in a row last week. Barry Switzer was the one that I couldn't figure out on air, and I couldn't get the Leaf website pulled up for whatever reason. But I've got that pulled up in case we have that issue again. Alright, we have got a San Francisco 49ers helmet. Let's see who is our winner on that one. It is NA Chris 06. Congratulations. Let's see who you got. That is a sloppy signature there, but it is nice and clean on the gold helmet. Not sure if that's an 85 or an 83. And of course, the first one I will probably have to look up. Get that Leaf card. Of course, I can't even get to the card here. Wow. There we go. Let's see what we got. Alright, that is what I thought with that 85. You got a Vernon Davis. Congratulations. The black Sharpie on there on the nice gold helmet looks fantastic. Sorry. Nice clean signature. Looks great. Great player. No longer on that team, but that's alright. Congratulations again. NA Chris 06. I'll get that bad boy out to you tomorrow, most likely. Worst case, Wednesday. And let's see what's in box number 2. Here is the sales list. So same thing with the manual write-ins there. And we've got Michael GF, LOPE MAT, Mudfish NC, welcome back. Eagles Gear 99 in there again. Joe Ho, welcome back. Riley Parker, RDKOH, welcome back. Rodney's Gyms. NA Chris 06 in there. Number one Stabler fan. And K.E. Pier. And let's see what we got. All right. We've got a Raiders helmet. Oakland Raiders is going to be number one Stabler fan. Let's see what we got. We've got a Hall of Famer. It is a Ray guy. Congratulations again. Nice clean signature on the sparkling silver helmet there. Number 8, Hall of Fame 14. I believe this is the first punter we have pulled. But congratulations on the hit. Nice looking helmet. Nice looking autograph. We've got 4 more of the 15s. And then I've got 20 of the 16s. I've got some 15 jerseys, 15 full-size helmet left. So we've got a ton more to break. So make sure you're following us on eBay. Go ahead and follow us on live stream, because as soon as we put up that event, you'll know the auctions are up as well. Of course, you'll see the mailing list. Appreciate everybody joining in from all of us at AutographsHQ. Thank you. Congratulations to the 2 winners. I'll get this guy out tomorrow or Wednesday, worst case. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.